The Toyota Roomy, known for its compact design and practicality, has undergone a surprising transformation thanks to the Japanese tuner ESB Style. This quirky minivan, popular in Japan for its roomy interior and maneuverability in urban environments, has been reimagined as the LandC Roomy, a miniature version of the iconic Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. The result is a fun and functional vehicle that blends urban comfort with off-road charm. While the Toyota Roomy is typically used for daily tasks like city commuting, school pickups, and running errands, ESB Style saw potential for the minivan to take on a more adventurous role. The LandC Roomy concept gives the popular minivan a rugged makeover, turning it into a cute, off-road-ready companion. The exterior of the LandC Roomy takes clear inspiration from the Land Cruiser LC300, with a large, aggressive front grille and sporty body-colored bumper with a diffuser, creating a distinct, tough look. This redesigned exterior gives the minivan a more rugged stance, with modifications that not only enhance its appearance but also improve its performance. To make it more capable on various terrains, ESB Style fitted the LandC Roomy with white steel rims wrapped in Toyo Open Country 165/65 R15 rugged terrain tires. These tires provide better grip and traction, which are essential for off-road driving. Additionally, a new suspension kit has raised the vehicle by 30 mm, improving ground clearance and allowing the minivan to handle rougher paths with ease. For those looking to venture even further into off-road terrain, an optional 4WD setup is available to further enhance the LandC Roomy's capabilities. To further up its adventure game, the LandC Roomy has a roof rack and a hardshell rooftop cargo box, which adds extra storage space for gear, making it more versatile for spontaneous road trips or weekend getaways. The modifications give this mini MPV an off-road look without compromising its everyday practicality. Inside the LandC Roomy, ESB Style has turned the rear cabin into a cozy lounge area, perfect for quick road trips or even an overnight stay. The rear has been outfitted with a foldable Fox mat mattress that measures 155 cm in length and 125 cm in width, ideal for a compact and functional sleeping space, though not the best option for extended camping trips. Nonetheless, for short-term adventures or spontaneous stops in the wilderness, it's a quirky but effective setup. Under the hood, the LandC Roomy retains the original powertrain of the Toyota Roomy, which includes a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine. This engine produces 97 horsepower and 103 lb-ft of torque, making it suitable for urban driving, as well as light off-road adventures. While the minivan isn't built for extreme overlanding, the combination of its design and modifications makes it an interesting option for those looking for a fun, compact adventure vehicle. The LandC Roomy was showcased to the world at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, where it garnered attention for its unusual blend of rugged aesthetics and city-friendly size. ESB Style is offering the modifications as part of a conversion kit, priced at 295,000 yen, or as individual components, which can be purchased separately. Interestingly, the modifications are not exclusive to the Toyota Roomy. Daihatsu Thor and Subaru Justy owners can also purchase the parts, making the LandC Roomy concept a versatile option for a wider range of vehicles. The Toyota Roomy, once a simple city vehicle, has been transformed into a charming little off-road vehicle with a Land Cruiser-inspired twist. Whether it's for the occasional road trip, a camping weekend, or simply standing out with a one-of-a-kind look, the LandC Roomy offers a unique combination of practicality and adventure.